Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to edit your listing on Airbnb. Whether you need to update photos, adjust pricing, or change availability, this tutorial will walk you through every option available. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Airbnb app on your mobile device and navigate to the bottom of your screen. Tap on the listing icon to access all your active listings. This is your main hub for managing all the properties you have listed on the platform. Once you're in, you'll see all your current listings displayed. Find the specific listing you want to edit and tap on it to open its details. This will bring up all the information and settings associated with that particular property. Now, at the top of the screen, make sure you're on the Your Space tab. This ensures you're viewing the right section where all your listing management options are located. This tab gives you access to all the customizable features of your listing. The first thing you can modify is your photo tour. Tap on the photo tour option to add, remove, or rearrange the images that showcase your space. High-quality photos are crucial for attracting guests, so take your time here to make sure your property looks its best. Next, tap on Title to edit the name of your listing. A compelling and accurate title helps your property stand out in search results and gives potential guests a clear idea of what to expect. Then tap on Property Type to update what kind of accommodation you're offering. Whether it's an entire home, a private room, or a shared space, making sure this is accurate helps Airbnb match you with the right guests. After that, tap on Sleeping Arrangement to edit how many beds, bedrooms, and bathrooms your property has. This information is essential for guests who are planning their stay and need to know the exact sleeping setup. Now tap on Pricing to adjust your nightly rate. You can set different prices for weekdays, weekends, or special seasons depending on demand and your preferences. Right below that, tap on Discount to offer special rates for longer stays or early bird bookings. Discounts can help attract more guests and increase your booking rate during slower periods. Next, tap on Availability to manage your calendar. Here you can block off dates when your property isn't available or open up dates for new bookings. Keeping your calendar updated prevents double bookings and confusion. Then tap on Number of Guests to set the maximum capacity for your listing. This ensures that only the appropriate number of people book your space and helps you maintain control over your property. After that, tap on Description to write or update the details about your property. A well-written description highlights unique features, nearby attractions, and what makes your space special for guests. Now tap on Amenities to add or remove features like Wi-Fi, parking, air conditioning, or a kitchen. Accurate amenities help guests filter their search and find exactly what they need. Then tap on Accessibility features to specify if your property accommodates guests with disabilities. This includes step-free access, wide doorways, or accessible bathroom facilities. Next, tap on Location to confirm or update your property's address and provide directions if needed. A clear location helps guests plan their travel and find your place easily. After that, tap on Booking Settings to manage how guests can book your property. You can choose instant booking or require approval for each reservation, giving you control over who stays at your place. Then tap on House Rules to set expectations for your guests. This includes policies on smoking, pets, quiet hours, or any other guidelines you want guests to follow during their stay. And there are even more options you can explore depending on your specific needs and preferences. You've now customized your Airbnb listing to reflect exactly what you're offering. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.